Hi guys, it's Kaia Leslie and I'm back with another video. Today I am going to be showing you how I do my space buns tutorial. As y'all can see, it turned out really good. Let me get y'all a little closer. Let me get to the light. Let's go to the light. Let's go to the light and see. So this is how it looks.
I wanna be your lawyer. I really understand you, baby. I wanna be your lover. I really understand you, crazy. I wanna be your lover. I really understand you, baby. I wanna be your lover. I really understand you, crazy.
I'm loving how you look in my eyes, swinging them hips when you pass. I'm visualizing my name tattooed on that ass, baby. Jump on this Harley, let's go smoke some of that Bob Marley. Sip some Bacardi, then go pull up at the after party. I think we make a perfect couple, but you think I'm trouble. Maybe that's the reason you.
So yeah, y'all see my hair. That's how it turned out. It looks so good, so pretty, so cute, and so simple. Period. Sorry if my energy is kind of low right now. I'm going through some girl things. If you know what I'm talking about, then you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get right into it. Hey y'all, so this is where the voiceover starts. Right now, as you see, I am just parting my hair right now, making sure the part is even. Don't mind my hair. My hair is dirty. It has all type of product in it, so it's definitely time for wash day. But until wash day, I'm just gonna do this cute little style. So as you can see, the part does not have to be perfect, but I'm trying to get it as straight as I possibly can. So yeah. Next, I'm going to be taking the Miel Organics curly cluster. I really couldn't get it in the frame, but as you guys seen in the beginning of the video, you would need all of those products. And I keep my hair in scrunchies when I'm not really doing anything with it, because scrunchies don't really put too much stress and harm on your hair. So I love scrunchies. But yeah, all I'm doing now is taking that cluster and basically just running it through my hair. Like I said before, my hair needs a wash day, so it's just looking really crunchy and gunked up right now. So now I'm going to take my paddle brush. I got this brush from TJ Maxx, I think, and I love it, and I really recommend any natural girl to get it, because it detangles my hair so good and it makes my curls pop. So I recommend y'all to get it, and I'm just brushing my hair right now and getting all the tangles out. So now I am just taking a wide tooth comb and detangling my hair some more. Yep, wide tooth comb, we know. And I'm just putting some more of that Miel Organics on there. And then that is a spray bottle filled with water and a little bit of oil. I realize my hair is a little bit dry. So yeah, I just put some in, made it a little bit more damp. And I'm just gonna take this bristle brush and start to basically lay down my hair. My hair lays down fairly easy. I mean, sometimes it takes a little bit much, like right here, because my hair is kind of dirty. But usually, like, I have no problem with laying down my hair. So now I'm taking this edge control. Usually I use the Style Factor edge control, but I ran out of that and they don't sell it in the local beauty supply stores that I live by. So I actually recommend that one. I don't necessarily recommend this one because I feel like it doesn't really hold my hair as well. But yeah, you can just use any form of edge control that you want to, anything that works best for your hair. And that edge control is the Eben edge control. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it all around the perimeter of my hair, and I'm gonna put it down the middle as well. Okay, so basically what I'm doing now is making sure that it's properly up in the mirror, because how I'm filming, like I was kind of far away from the mirror, so I was just making sure. So now I'm just brushing it up in the little pony. Yep. And y'all see how I lay down, like, period. Okay, so as y'all see, I had to go back in with that edge control just to make sure my hair is super flat. Like, that's the only reason why I said I don't really like this edge control, because I just have to put so much product. Instead, with the Style Factor, like, it literally lays my hair down instantly. So yeah, that's the only thing, but it still works. I cannot lie, it still works. So yeah, now I'm just getting it as smooth as I possibly can, and I'm showing y'all the difference. My little curls, they're not even like defined right now at all, but that's okay because you don't need them defined for this hair tutorial. So next side, instead of putting the Miel Organics first, I am going to damp my hair first. That's usually what I do. And the other ponytail just all in the wave, but it's okay, it's okay. So like I did for the other side, I'm just gonna detangle it. Nothing much, nothing new. Okay, now I'm taking the paddle brush once again and just brushing out my hair. And I'm taking the Mio Organics cluster and just, putting that on my hair as well. So now I'm just brushing my hair up once again, creating the second little ponytail. And as y'all see, like the other ponytail was trying to mix in it. So yeah, that's all I'm doing. Taking that edge control once again and just placing it around the perimeter of my hair. Okay, so now we have both of the ponies. The hair is looking slick, the hair is looking nice. There's Mario. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take a scarf and wrap my hair up or tie my hair up. And you can actually do this as well with like wrapping, the little wrapping paper things. I don't know what they call. So I'm gonna leave this on for about 20 minutes just to make sure my hair stays laid and that it is as smooth as possible. And now I'm gonna start on my edges, and I'm just taking the edge brush to basically comb them out at this point. And now I'm just kind of like brushing them into the formation that I want them in. They're kind of already like laid like that because I wear my edges like that all the time. So I'm just taking some of that Miel and laying my edges down. I'm going to end up finishing them off camera because it was very hard to try to do edges on camera. So I just finished off camera. But now I'm going to be taking some Got2b spray and just spraying it to make sure they stay in place all day. Because if you have curly hair, like as soon as you start sweating or if you don't put enough product, they will like just, not lay at all. So what I'm doing now is just fixing the scarf, moving it up a little bit so that I can do the buns. And I'm gonna just put it on my edges a little bit to make sure they lay down as well. So now what I'm doing is just wrapping my hair around just to create a little bun, and I'm just going to use some rubber bands. And I'm just wrapping the rubber bands around the bun. You will see a little bit better on the other side. So as y'all see, I'm taking my hair and just wrapping it into a messy bun. Nothing crazy at all. And if you define your curls better, the buns will be like more curly. I didn't really do that today. So they're just gonna be like little messy buns. And after you do the like original bun, you can go back and fix it and maneuver it how you want to. That's what I do. Alright, so stay tuned for the finished product, guys. Alright, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, drop in the comments what do you want to see next from me. I know the lighting is a little backwash, but that's okay because y'all can see me. But I thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.